Hey friends, what if your Scratch project could think, learn, and recognize objects like a real AI? Welcome back to Kodex Academy. Today, we will train a machine to solve Captchas and identify objects in photos using machine learning for kids. So, are you ready to build your own smart AI in Scratch? Let's jump into Scratch to code, train, and play. So first, we'll open Google and here I'm going to type machine learning for kids. Okay, let's click enter and here this is the first option which I need to open in new tab. Okay, so here if you have your account so you can log in, or if you don't have account, don't worry about it. Directly you can click on get started. Here without account you can just click on try it now. Here in this project, instead of clicking on add a new project, I need to copy template. Why? Because while you're creating the template for the Captcha, you need different type of photographs. Either you can take the photographs yourself, like if you will see our previous video related to identification of pictures, so you can take from the Google. Otherwise you can copy the template and with the help of that directly you will upload the images to train your model. And also it help you for the basic coding to understand how the Captcha work. So here what I'm going to do, I just click on copy template. Here you can see there are multiple machine learning projects templates are available. You can copy it and it will help you to understand how the machine will learn from data. So I want for the Captcha, so what I'm going to do, I will import this Captcha template. Okay, so where you want to store, I want to store on my computer, so I'll just click on store in your computer. Now you can see automatically the steps which you need to create while you're creating a new project name, it's recognizing what and what is the name of the things you want to add, so you can add it, and what kind of model it is. On the basis of that, all the information are stored here. Now I just click over here, we just check on the train, and then you will find out we have three labels. One is bicycle, another one is crosswalk, and the third one is fire hydrant. Here we need to drag the picture from the file or other browser window or drop them here, right? You can use any website, you can use webcam, draw, or you can upload any file. But here we have taken the template which is already available on machine learning for kids. So for that, what I'm going to do, I will directly go back to my project over here, and instead of going to learn and test, first I'm going to click on make, and here straight to go Scratch tree. Okay, so I'll just click on straight into Scratch. So yes, this is our Scratch screen, and here you can see the block palette of Captcha is present over here, right? And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to download one project template. Why I'm going to download, I have already told you, you can upload the images and do the coding, that also you can do. But to understand how the Captcha work, how the machine learn from the images and it able to recognize that, you can take the template from here which is already available, and you need to do small coding over here to make yourself understand how the AI recognize images. So we'll go to project template, and here multiple projects are available. I will going to take Captcha. This one is the Captcha, and now it will take some time to get upload. So wait for a few seconds. Okay. Now you can see our all images are automatically uploaded in the form of sprite, and the basic coding is available. First, I will make you understand about the screen that will help you how this project work. These all 9 sprites belongs to these all images. Okay, these squares, it belongs to when we click on this sprite, it's become little shrink and one square come forward which is present behind it. It shows this image is click. Okay, and there are two buttons, one is next and another one is solve. First, because we need to upload these images in our label, so the solve button will not show. Solve button will show when we do our remaining coding. Okay, and here if we'll think what is that, it is based on when I receive change, means if something we receive to change, so the costume means another image should come. When we click on the green flag, it shows its position. When we click on the sprite, it broadcasts this image is selected, right? Suppose this 00 means this image, 01 this, 02 then 10, 11, 12, and the last one 20, 21, 22. Okay, this giving the name of these sprites. You can change it if you want, and then it shows when I received predict means what target we're looking for and what is the target confidence, means how the machine is confident about that particular image. Then it will broadcast this. It means your prediction is correct. So this is the basic coding we have in this. And now what I'm going to do, my first step is I want to train my model. For that I need images, and here I need to add minimum 20 images of each my label. Here you have seen already I have 3 labels, like you can check over here. If you want to check again, you can go to train your model and you can see there are 3 labels I have, right? I'll go back and I'll go back to this screen, and here I have 3 labels, and in these labels what I'm going to do, I need 20 images in my each label, right? I will take this block and I will put it over here. Okay, and I need to add that image, means whenever I just click on that sprite, it should be add into the particular label. If it is belongs to bicycle, it will go to bicycle. If it is crosswalk, it go to crosswalk, or if it is fire hydrant, it will go to fire hydrant. For that I need to go to images, and I will select that image because these are costume image. So I will put costume image block over here, and here what I am going to looking for. So I need the variable looking for, not particular bicycle, because here is not bicycle, and sometimes there is a possibility any kind of image can come, either it's fire hydrant or crosswalk. Now this block I want for all 9 sprites, right? So what I'm going to do, I just take this block and drag in all sprites, and then we'll put this block over here below when this sprite click, and we'll do for all 9 sprites here. And now I will show you how this image get added in my train model. So I just click on the green flag, and here I'll go to big screen and I'll select my images. This is for hydrant, like, okay, for bicycle, again for hydrant, again bicycle. Don't worry about it if you will select wrong images when you're going to train your model. At that time you can cancel it. Okay, so here this is the crosswalk, here bicycle, again fire hydrant. At least I need 20 images for my each label, so I will click multiple times. As many images you will get, it's good for machine to understand the data. Now I'll go back to the small screen. Now again we'll go into the training tool tab, and you can see our all images are here because we have captured the images and we said it should come to our train model, right? If you want to cancel out any image, like for example you can see here by mistake I have clicked on fire hydrant when I need to select bicycle, so you can cancel it out to make your model more reliable. Okay, oh, here also you can see bicycle is selected by mistake. It's done. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do, I'll go back to my project, and here learn and test. Okay, you can see I have added 36 example of bicycle, 15 example of crosswalk, and 33 example of fire hydrant. Now we'll just click on train new machine learning model. It's preparing the data. Okay, perfect. You can try to put your images over here and check it out how this model able to recognize based on the training or not. You can put any image in front of the webcam, or you can test by drawing or test with your file. Okay, I just click on test by drawing. Just try it. Here I will try to draw one crosswalk. Okay, and then I'll check is it recognizing correct or not. Okay, and now we'll test. It is 89% confident it's related to crosswalk, right? So you can check it, like for example here if you want to draw, like I will draw some kind of drawing related to bicycle. We'll check it. It's 100% sure it's bicycle. So our model is working great. Now we'll go back to our Scratch screen. Okay, here first we are going to click on this first sprite 00. Okay, and here what I'm going to do, I want which image it is looking for and the target confidence. Both are match. Then only it will broadcast select 00. Understand? So here what I'm going to do, here I will take recognize image label, and here which image we are going to select, costume image. Make it duplicate, costume image will put over here, and make it this block duplicate and put one here and another one here. Okay, if the costume image is equal which we are looking for and it is greater than the target confidence, then only broadcast select 00. Okay, this is when we're going to receive predict, and the same thing will do for all the sprite. So here we'll just take this block and put in all images. Okay, make it duplicate and place it in these two blocks. Okay, like this will do for all 9 sprites. Okay, now this all part is done. Now the last one, what I'm going to do here, we are going to click on solve where it's mentioned predict, right? And here you can see before I just click on the images, you have not seen the solve button because it's hide. What I'm going to do here, instead of hide, I need to make it show. Okay, so now you can see solve button is here. And here I will change this target confidence. Instead of 60, I will make around 98%. Let's check. So here you can see here 2 it's recognized as crosswalk. This one is little blurred, that's why it's not recognized. If you make it percentage bit down, like I will make it 90, that would be fine. And on the basis of that, like you can see, it selected these 4 images. There is a possibility of crosswalk, right? So on the basis of that, it recognizes the images whatever we have uploaded. On the basis of that, it will check the result. Okay, and now we'll do some changes so we can identify this one image is correct or not. Like for example, I will go to the first image, this one, and here I will do some changes in the coding. Okay, you can customize by yourself. So here I will do some customization so you can better understand how AI will say us wrong, try again. So for that, what I'm going to do, I will remove these blocks and I'll delete it over here. I will take one block, that is if and else condition, and this complete block I will put over here. And then if sprite click, first it will check the condition. If it is good, what we are looking for, then it will broadcast select 1. Else we'll go to look block and will take say block, and that is twice. For 1 second it will say wrong, and then it will say try again. Okay, so that's the basic one we have done. And here we'll also broadcast change. Go to event and take broadcast change. We'll put it over here. And for the predict, we'll take the same block and we will put over here, because the prediction is only for solve button. When we want to solve how many sprites is selected by the machine according to its prediction. So we'll make the same block and we'll put it over here. So we did some changes. Only when the sprite click, it broadcast change, and according to that is costume change. But if in the case if the percentage which we looking for and the costume image is greater than the target percentage, then only it broadcasts image select image 01. Okay, otherwise it will pop up the bubble as say wrong and try again. And this block will copy and paste in all these 9 images. First I will show you how it will work. Like this one first, it show bicycle. If I select this first, it say wrong, try again. It means machine recognize here is no bicycle, you need to try again, right? It means you are selecting wrong. You understand how it will work? Great. Suppose if I'll select this one and here the selection is correct, right? So it's pop the button next. Now the same block will drag and drop in all the sprites. Okay, let's check. Done. Now we'll go to the big screen and see the result. Click on the green flag and see the result. It's a wrong, try again. Let's click. It means according to the machine, it is also right. Wrong. Why it's clicked again? Let's check. Okay, when it say sprite again, I need to do one thing more. I will do one broadcast, new message, wrong. Okay, and when this sprite, all these white sprite, when they receive broadcast wrong, it should hide, not show, right? So it will not change anymore. Do the same thing for all sprites like this. So it will not come up when our sprite is wrong. And the same broadcast will put for all sprite. Then automatically it's not selected and it will not pop up the second image which is present behind it. And one more thing we need to change here, instead of when we copy paste here the broadcast we have selected same, we are not going to select the same broadcast, we are going to select the broadcast of that particular image. Okay, so here also we'll replace this and make it like here we'll select 1222. Okay, done. Perfect. Now our Captcha model is ready. So just click on the big screen. Here we go. Now first I'm going to click on the first image. It say it's wrong. Try again. And you can see the background image is not come pop up over here. Now the second one, it's selected because according to the AI model, it is a fire hydrant. Now try the next one. This one is also select, right? It's correct. Try this. It's correct. Try this. It say it's wrong, right? So our model is working perfectly. See, it's selected. It means according to the machine also it is crosswalk. Now if you want to select it again, see, it's not crosswalk. This one it is. Okay, next try this one. It is wrong. This is also wrong according to the machine. This one, it is also wrong. This one is also wrong. This one is correct. And this one is also correct. So our model is working great. So according to that, you can train your model and check where it's correct and where it's wrong. If you want to do some changes in the coding according to your wish, you can do it. Try this and tell me if it's worked for you. We are also providing online classes on Scratch and robotics. You can visit our website and contact us. I hope you like and understand this video. If you like, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.